Hey guys, today we're talking about something really cool, finding information online. You won't believe how much stuff is out there. It's like the internet is a giant detective agency and we're all detectives. Think about it. Every time you like a post, comment on a picture, or even just browse a website, you're leaving a digital footprint. And guess what? All those footprints add up to a lot of information. Now before you freak out, this isn't about being scared. It's about understanding the power of information. Because when you know how to look, you can find almost anything online. So buckle up, detectives, because we're about to dive into the world of open source intelligence, OSINT. Get ready to be amazed. So you want to find someone online, right? Maybe an old friend, a lost relative, or that guy who borrowed your favorite shirt and disappeared. Well, get ready to meet your new best friend. Tookie-OSINT. Tookie-OSINT is a tool that helps you find people online. It's like a super-powered search engine that scours the internet for any trace of your target. And the best part? It's free. Think of Tookie-OSINT as your trusty sidekick in the world of online investigations. It's easy to use, even if you're not a tech whiz. Plus, it's packed with features that make finding people a piece of cake. So, whether you're a seasoned detective or a curious beginner, Tookie-OSINT is the tool you need to uncover the secrets hidden in plain sight. Let's get started. Alright detectives, let's fire up Tookie-OSINT and see what it can do. First things first, head over to the Tookie-OSINT website. Don't worry, it's free and easy to find. Once you're there, take a look around. You'll see a bunch of different options, but don't let that scare you. Tookie-OSINT is super user-friendly. Think of it like this. Each option is like a different tool in your detective kit. You've got tools for searching social media, digging up usernames, and even uncovering hidden connections. The best way to learn is by doing. So, why not try a test search? Pick a target, maybe yourself or a friend, and see what Tookie-OSINT can dig up. You'll be amazed by what you find. Ready to become a social media sleuth? Let's dive into the world of online investigation. Tookie-OSINT makes it a breeze, turning complex searches into simple tasks. Here's how to find someone on social media using Tookie-OSINT step by step. Start with what you know. Gather all the information you have about the person. Do you have their full name? This is often the most straightforward clue. Email address? Username? These can be just as useful. Any little detail can be a valuable clue. Don't overlook anything. Tookie-OSINT has different tools for different social media platforms, each tailored to specific needs. Pick the one where you think your target is most active. This increases your chances of success. Type in the information you gathered in step 1. Be as detailed as possible. Tookie-OSINT will work its magic and scour the platform for any matches, saving you time and effort. Tookie-OSINT will show you a list of potential matches. Review them carefully. Look for clues like profile pictures, locations, and other identifying details, or usernames to confirm you've found the right person. Cross-reference all the information. Once you've found your target, don't stop there. Click on their profile to see more information. This can reveal even more about them. You might be surprised by what you uncover. Happy sleuthing with Tookie-OSINT. Section 5. OSINT for beginners. Don't be scared. It's easy. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Bhuvan, this sounds complicated. But don't worry, it's not as hard as it seems. Trust me, OSINT is for everyone, even if you're not a tech genius. You don't need to be a computer whiz to get started. Here are some tips for beginners, simple steps to ease you into the process. First, don't try to learn everything at once. Take it one step at a time. Begin with a simple search and go from there. Start small and gradually expand your search. Remember, OSINT takes time. Be patient and persistent. Don't get discouraged if you don't find what you're looking for right away. Sometimes it takes a bit of digging. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Always question the information you find. Double-check your sources and be wary of fake profiles. Verification is key. OSINT can be like solving a puzzle. Each piece of information brings you closer to the full picture. Enjoy the process and the thrill of the chase. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Remember, anyone can be an OSINT detective. It's all about curiosity and persistence. Just grab your magnifying glass or your laptop and get ready to explore the fascinating world of online information. The adventure awaits you. Section 6. Success Stories. How Tookie-OSINT cracked the case. Need some inspiration? Look no further. Check out these real-life examples of how Tookie-OSINT helped people find what they were looking for and changed their lives forever. A woman used Tookie-OSINT to find her high school sweetheart after 20 years apart. She had almost given up hope. She entered his name and graduation year, and Tookie-OSINT led her straight to his Facebook profile. It was like a dream come true. They reconnected and are now happily married. Their love story rekindled thanks to Tookie-OSINT. A man used Tookie-OSINT to track down a family heirloom that had been stolen years ago. It was a piece of his family's history. He searched for the inscription on the heirloom and found a forum post where someone was trying to sell it. His persistence paid off. He contacted the authorities and the heirloom was recovered. His family was overjoyed. A group of friends used Tookie-OSINT to find their childhood friend who had moved away. They had lost touch over the years. They entered his name and last known city, and Tookie-OSINT found his LinkedIn profile. It was a joyous moment. They reached out and are now planning a reunion. Their bond stronger than ever. These are just a few examples of how Tookie-OSINT can be used for good. The possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? The next success story could be yours. Start your own investigation today. Uncover the answers you've been searching for. Section 7. Staying safe while you search. Protect yourself online. Hold on, detectives. Before you go full-on Sherlock Holmes, it's important to stay safe online. Here are some tips to protect yourself while using Tookie-OSINT. First, use a VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, making it harder for others to track your activity. Second, be careful what you click. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading files from untrusted sources. Third, don't share personal information. Be careful about what information you share online, especially on public forums. And fourth, respect people's privacy. Just because you can find information about someone doesn't mean you should use it for malicious purposes. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use Tookie-OSINT ethically and responsibly. Use Sentanin. Section 8. Tookie-OSINT. Not just for finding people. You know, Tookie-OSINT is like that Swiss Army knife you never knew you needed. It's not just about finding people. It can be used for a ton of other cool stuff, like verifying information. Think you spotted some fake news? Use Tookie-OSINT to check the facts and sources. Researching companies. Want to know more about a company before you apply for a job? Tookie-OSINT can help you dig up their background and reputation. Investigating scams. Think you've encountered a scam? Use Tookie-OSINT to gather evidence and report it to the authorities. The possibilities are endless. So, get creative and see what other amazing things you can do with Tookie-OSINT. Section 9. The future of OSINT. What's next for online investigations? Hold on tight, detectives, because the world of OSINT is constantly evolving. New tools and techniques are emerging all the time, making it even easier to find information online. In the future, we can expect to see more powerful AI. Artificial intelligence will play a bigger role in OSINT, automating tasks and uncovering hidden connections. Increased data availability. As more devices connect to the internet, the amount of data available for OSINT will continue to grow exponentially. Ethical considerations. As OSINT becomes more powerful, it's important to have ethical guidelines in place to prevent misuse. The future of OSINT is bright, but it's up to us to use this powerful tool responsibly. Section 10. Key Takeaways. Your OSINT Toolkit. Alright detectives, let's recap what we've learned. OSINT is everywhere. Information is all around us online, just waiting to be discovered. Tookie-OSINT is your friend. This powerful tool makes it easy to find people and uncover hidden information. Start simple and be patient. Don't get overwhelmed. OSINT takes time and practice. Stay safe and ethical. Protect yourself online and use your powers for good. Now go out there, detectives, and use your newfound OSINT skills to make the world a more informed and connected place.